Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making the necessary checks. Confirm your Jio Unlimited 5G plan is active and that your device supports 5G. Once done, insert the Jio SIM or provision the eSIM and note IMEI and SIM PIN, these speed provisioning. Go to Settings, select Mobile Network and choose the Jio APN. Make sure APN fields match Jio defaults. Then switch network mode to 5G/4G auto so the phone can register. This gets you from account to on-device readiness fast. You now handle the deeper configuration. Update carrier settings in System About and apply any OS updates so radios work optimally. Once updated, set preferred network to 5G/4G/3G auto so the device can fall back when needed. This prevents dropped data sessions. Open My Jio and accept provisioning prompts. Enable VoLTE LTE or Wi-Fi calling so voice uses modern stacks on 5G. After changing settings, restart the phone to force fresh network registration and avoid stale caches. You finish by validating performance. Run a speed test and walk a few meters. 5G can vary with location and line of sight. Make sure baseband/firmware is current. Keep My Jio updated. If speeds are low, toggle airplane mode or restart to reattach. And critically, if connectivity fails, reset the APN to defaults, reinsert the SIM, and restart once more. If that does not fix it, contact Jio support with your IMEI and the exact time of the test. This helps the operator trace and resolve network issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.